Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you two quick and simple ways you can prepare your omelette sandwich for breakfast. This breakfast is healthy and delicious. Not only that, very easy to make. So stay tuned. Don't go away. I'll be right back. For this recipe, I'll be needing 50 grams of red bell pepper already washed and chopped, 50 grams of yellow bell pepper, 50 grams of green bell pepper, 1 spring onions chopped, 4 eggs, 40 grams of chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of stock powder, salt to taste, chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, 200 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese, pimiento pepper powder, sandwich bread, and butter. Check out the description box below for the full list of these ingredients, okay? So let's get started. I will begin by giving this egg a quick stir. Then I will add the green bell pepper, the chopped onions, the spring onions, the red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper, salt, and the seasoning powder. The stock seasoning powder. Then the pimiento powder. So I'll be mixing all of them together until they are well incorporated. After that, I will set it aside. Here I have a slice of sandwich bread. So I'm going to cut it into square shape. Just watch me and see how I cut it. So in a preheated pan, I'm going to throw in some butter, so keep watching and see how I prepare it. At this point, I'm going to scoop in the egg mixture. Then spread some mozzarella cheese. After that, I'll be adding some egg mixture again. Oh my lovelies, are you still watching but you've not subscribed to this channel? Just do that, it is free. Click on that red button that says subscribe. Click on the notification bell at the option select all so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. After watching, please like and share my video with your friends. Thank you. Then cover it with another slice of bread. So I'll be toasting it for about 2 minutes. After that, I'll flip it over. Don't forget to use low or medium heat. So I'll be toasting the other side of the bread for about 1 minute. And that is all. As you can see, the omelette sandwich is very delicious, looking so appetizing with enough veggies inside it. Makes it to be healthy breakfast. Can you see this? Oh my lovely, this is a very delicious breakfast you can prepare for your family. Trust me, you will never regret it. See how golden the opposite side of the bread is looking. So yummy. Now that the omelette sandwich is cooked, I'm going to transfer it to the plate. So I continue by repeating the same process. After this, I'll be showing you the second method. So stay tuned. So now I'm going to demonstrate the second way. I have here a heart cutter or cookie cutter in a heart shape or any shape of your choice. You are free. So I cut it out like so. Then proceed to the fry pan. So my lovelies, keep watching. Don't go away. Once I place the bread in the pan, I'm going to scoop in some egg mixture, then spread some mozzarella cheese on top of it, and I'll add a little bit of the egg mixture again. Finally, cover it with another slice of bread. I will toast it for about 2 minutes. Once the omelette is cooked, I will flip it over. So I will repeat the same process by toasting the both sides of the omelette sandwich bread. So at the end of it, you'll find out that this is looking so yummy. My dear, this is so easy, simple, quick way of preparing your breakfast, and your family will enjoy this. Take a look at this. Oh my goodness. It is filled up with goodness. So my lovelies, give this recipe a try and your family will never regret it. If you have watched this video to this point, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. After watching, give me thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. If you're new here, please join this wonderful family by subscribing to my channel and activate your notification bell so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. Till I come your way next time, continue to eat healthy and stay safe. Don't forget, I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. If I can do this, then you can. Don't forget, after watching, tell me what you think about this recipe. And feel free to check out my previous videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.